Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view accounts or users you've blocked on Reddit, or perhaps if you want to unblock them. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up Reddit or sign into Reddit and select your user account logo up in the top right, and then go down and select settings from the profile menu here, and then select the privacy tab on the top bar. And then if you go down a little bit, there should be something that says blocked accounts. Go ahead and select that. And then you can view any accounts you've blocked through here, as well as adding any new users by then just copying and pasting their username and selecting the little plus logo. If you want to unblock anybody, they should appear in this list. And you can just X mark next to their username and then select save to save it. And that would remove them from the block list. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.